wood. I need to sell wood. Okay, let's try. Pasukin natin. Pwede siguro. Ayan! Ay, bongga! Bongga guys! Yung upuan niya. Oh, kuha pa siya sa ano. Parang native. Hello everyone! Kamusta kayo dyan mga ka-amazing? Welcome back to my channel, Amazing Andy. Today, we're in the bustling city of New York City and I'm excited to show you to one of the unique adventure of New York! New York Transit Museum! Hi guys! It's me, Amazing Andy. Welcome to my vlog! Tara, samahan nyo ko. Let's go! Pasukin natin ang Transit Museum ng New York! Tara na kayo guys! Join me as we explore the rich history of Big Apple's transportation system right here in downtown Brooklyn! I'm getting a ticket for one. Thank you. Handa na ba kayo guys? Come on! Sit back, relax, and panoorin ang vlog na to! Guys, bongga ang laki ng tunnel. Oh. Ito pala yung dinadaanan ng train. Look at that kung gaano kalaki. Wow! Guys, we have just arrived sa New York Transit Museum. Ito ay located siya Schermerhorn Street dito sa downtown Brooklyn. What makes this museum special is that it only housed an actual subway station na tinatawag nilang Court Street Station, which is no longer in operation. O diba? Ang cool! Guys, tara na! Let's head down the stairs and step into the beautiful, renovated 1963 underground station! Ang ganda talaga ng lugar na to. As we explore, we will be surrounded by fascinating collection of vintage subway cars! At iba pa! It feels like we are going to travel back in time, guys! Bongga! Guys, pasukin natin yung 1907 na train. Let's go! Ayan. Ay, wow. Gawa siya sa wood. Bongga. No problem! O yung hawakan niya, leather. Galing. Ayan. Bongga guys. Ang upuan niya. Oh, gawa pa siya sa ano. Parang native. Guys, sa mezzanine or upper level, we will find the majority of the exhibits. This is where we will see the artifacts from the historic subway at iba pa as we learn about the iconic NYC transportation and infrastructures. Grabe! Ang dami talaga makikita dito! Kahit sa hallway guys, marami kang matutunan. Wow! Super wow na wow! Merong mga tula tungkol sa subway, tungkol sa mga train. Ayan! Bongga, nakapublish yan guys sa mga newspapers, magazines, at websites. Di ba bongga? Guys, you want more? Alright! One of the highlights here are the exhibits on the underground tunnel systems and the people who built them. Malalaman natin ang kwento ng mga taong nagtatrabaho sa likod ng kahangahangang subway ng New York. Plus, we will get to see the displays of ticket machines, fire hydrants, signage, at iba pa. Ang galing, di ba? Guys, dito naman ang part, makita natin yung mga iba't ibang mga signs. Ayan, pinaka-importante yan guys. Kung saan ka pupunta, mga signs kung saan ka pupunta, anong bawal, at guys, meron ding pa-field viewing. Ayan. Upo tayo, tingnan natin kung anong meron dito. Ayan. Alam ba ninyo, the exhibits on the upper level are changed from time to time. So even if you've been here before, you can still come back and see something new. Ang daming pagkakataon na matuto tayo tungkol sa kasaysayan ng transportasyon dito sa New York. Guys, look at this. Ito yung nagpapagalaw sa train guys. Oh. Yung malaking machine niya. Yung motor power. Bongga. Ito guys, parang medyo modern naman siya na car ng train. Ayan. Masasabi ko talaga na I had an amazing time exploring the rich history of New York transportation system and learning about the incredible work behind it. Diba bongga guys? Dito naman guys na corner, dito yung this corner, dito yung evolution ng train at saka subway. Grabe guys, oh, mula doon hanggang dito, babasahin mo siya. Bonggang bongga. At kung gusto nyo pang malaman at ma-experience ang New York City, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting adventures! Guys, ito yung pinaka-paborito kong part. Parang laruan siya guys. Yung iba't ibang uri ng train dito sa New York. Simula nung unang panahon. Ayan. If you like this vlog about New York Transit Museum, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hanggang sa susunod na vlog natin, ingat kayo guys! Bye! Huwag kalimutan, life is amazing, always smile! Ticket kayo dyan. Ticket kayo dyan. Mura lang. Buy one, take one.